It's C Day. I have my crazy socks ready to put on. I have my cat in the hat for C is for cat. I tried to gather up cats, and the only ones I have are wild cats, but maybe you have some cats at your house that you could gather up, or a real cat that you can cuddle up with for C Day. I'm talking about cats because Cuckoo Kanga from Go Noodle have a crazy cat dance video for you to do. So I put that on the next slide for you to exercise and get some blood flowing and some oxygen to your brain before you start your learning today. I'm excited because for reading, today's our day we're going to do our project. So that's a STAR activity, and I'm looking forward to seeing what you do with your timelines today. And I'll walk you through all those steps when you get to reading. So have a great Thursday, and I'll see you soon. C is for cookie. That's good enough for me. Maybe make some cookies today. Chocolate chip, my favorite. I'm liking C Day. I hope you are too.